Alright, so hello. My name is Akira, as you know. If you saw my last video to like the very end, you probably heard a specific jingle that pretty much everybody is aware of, or at least has some memory of. Yes? Well, this video is pretty much a follow-up to that, and basically elaborates on what the fuck that was all about. I really wanted to do more videos, so I figured, you know what, let me just get this out of the way. I have a lot of editing to do, post, but this is for the Nintendo 2DS XL and every single 3DS console made in the market. I don't know if there's any bootleg ones that actually have this, but I want to elaborate really quick. This is the theme that you can get when you homebrew. Homebrew is basically hacking your console into actually being able to run third-party software and download games for free from websites like CAA_3ds.com. I think that was the link. I don't know. And here we are with my 2DS XL, white and orange, pretty cool. This is recorded on a Samsung Galaxy S3 or S6, I don't know, shut up. And something interesting is going to happen when I hit the home button. As you can see, my finger's right on it. And return to home menu, let's do that. Here's where an interesting thing happens. Observe. Yep, there you go. The Sony 20th anniversary for the Sony PlayStation theme has made its way to the Nintendo 3DS family. Again, this is not official. This is not by Sony nor Nintendo, nor will it ever be. Now then, the way you get about this theme is pretty much a little bit easy. All you have to have is pretty much not Twilight menu. Give me a second. Record. There we go. You have to have this application. It's pretty much already pre-installed to your console if you have it homebrewed, or once you finish homebrewing. It should come when you homebrew. It should come with this launcher, this item, this, and this, or this too. I don't know. Sure. But this is the app you really want to have. Why am I making this video? Is because I absolutely adore this theme, and because I have like amazing memories for Sony PlayStation 1. I figured, well, it's gonna be fun for me to share with you everyone, and I figured, you know what? Let's just actually show them how to use. Alright, so before I got completely interrupted because I accidentally pressed stop recording on my phone, I was about to show you guys how to get that. I was about to say I wanted to show you guys how to get this theme. Now then, I'm on the site that you can get every theme that you probably would want. And my mouse keeps dying. I'm so sorry. I'm so unprofessional. I know. Bruh. And here we go. You know, you just want to go on the site and go PlayStation. Right here. Bruh. Oh shoot! I did not know about the legacy one, PlayStation 2. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna download that in a minute. Basically, this is the theme right here. Sorry for every single fucking time that my mouse completely disconnects. This is not intentional. I swear to God. And there's a lot of selections here. Well, not that many, but I'm gonna get this one in a minute. Probably this one too, and this, because I got like a lot of memories with the PS3 and 2. This is pretty much it right here. There you go. I'm gonna just play the sound for you guys really quick. basically that. So once you're on your console and you have the N3DS app installed, launched, you're gonna want to scan for the QR code. Scan it. Once it finishes scanning, just press A, and hold up, and release A, and it should install the theme on its own. So that's pretty cool. And well, you just press the start button, let your console go to the home menu, and there you go. That's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like, subscribe. You know the deal. And be mindful of new videos, right? Because I got plenty on the way. Plenty of songs, plenty of mashups, plenty of bullshit like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My mouse keeps dying. I'm so sorry. Forget my malware bytes. It's stupid. I'm not sponsored. Bruh. Okay. Yeah. This outro is way too dragged. Okay.